All right, we're here in Tazewell and we are going ghost hunting. Mr. McStash has his
They knew he was coming.
phone out with his ghost finder.
Yep, we got the ghost finder on here. We're gonna go see if Mr. G's sister's here.
Yeah, she's down there, but I ain't going.
You ain't going down there?
No.
Why? Does she owe you money or you owe her money?
It don't help me, no.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll go up this way, though. This beats off.
Alright. Here,
You get me reading?
I tell you like the wife, I come to the cemetery and it's dead. And the wife says, yeah, it's dead, it's in a cemetery.
What do you think?
It's her joke.
I don't know.
Who we gonna call?
Ghostbusters.
Ghostbusters.
They got the old ones up in the back there.
Well, see if you find an old ghost.
Can we find an old ghost?
All right, let's see if we get some activity here. No activity?
What? What do you think?
There was something right in here, but it's not.
That was Mr. G.
False reading.
That was me. That's whoever opened that gate, I guess.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
It's way hot.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Whoa.
So, if you believe in, I don't know if you can read that or not.
Can't.
If you believe in that stuff, that's saying that there was a ghost. It was just right here.
He's standing right here watching us.
Standing right here watching.
What? He knocked me down, daggone it. I better get out of here. I can't take that. Watch
What?
out.
Can't take
Wandering
that.
Yankee, he'll knock you down.
The ghost got you, huh?
Huh?
It says counter. So it must have been a countermeasure. He took a countermeasure on you
What'd that mean?
because you were standing on top of
Oh,
the
that's going to say how big of a boy I was before he knocked me down.
Yeah, that's what it
Okay.
was.
That's like you messing
Exactly.
with the devil tree.
Yeah.
Those are 1905 when you were born. Those have got to be the older ones.
Those are probably real old. We'll say old they are. Of all the things we could be doing.
Playing in a graveyard.
We're playing in the graveyard.
Oh.
No. Elizabeth. Here I just got him says Elizabeth. And it's peeking again.
Whoa.
Maybe
Right
that's
here.
Elizabeth right there.
Right here. This one.
Man, that is, I don't know about that right there.
Beloved aunt.
Gertrude.
Gertrude.
Gertrude
Oh,
Hunter.
Hunter.
1913 to 2000.
No, so it wasn't Elizabeth. Oh well.
We're looking for
We
Elizabeth.
found somebody.
It says her name's Elizabeth.
Well, no, it just said Elizabeth. It made the meter, supposedly made the meter say Elizabeth.
Wow. But I'm telling you. What do you think, Yankee?
Yeah, I had real trouble trying to read it on mine because of the sun, you know.
Yeah, the
You
glare.
don't ever
Whoa.
want to.
This one's old.
Mercy.
1901 to 1906.
There's a young
Oh,
one.
yeah.
Like I said, it's the one big mystery we still got.
A lot of Masons in here.
It was 1880.
Some of the work they used to do on some of these monuments.
Oh yeah, they were awesome.
It was in 1915.
1855.
Wow.
Born or died?
Born 1887.
Wow.
I think they used to clean off the grass clippings on it.
This is 1883. 1838.
Yeah, these little ones.
1859. Oh no. 1859 to 1900.
Yeah.
Huh?
Can't read it.
Herbie left was buried over there.
A lot of Gillespie here.
Yeah. My sister's down there in the corner.
Was she a Gillespie?
No. She's a Leffel, but she's a Klein now. I mean, it is.
Well, she's a Klein.
Yeah. She's only Klein anyway.
Hmm. 1875.
Over here, this one over here.
That's a child's grave right there.
Huh?
That's a child's grave right there.
How do you tell?
See a little sheep on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
90% of the little ones like that, yeah. 1906 to 1929.
Wow.
No?
23 years old.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
That's my old buddy there.
Herbie Leffel?
Mm-hmm.
Was he a good man?
Yeah, he sure was.
That's what it says. It says he was a good man.
Is that what this is?
No, that's what that says.
Oh, yeah, this story is. Herbie Leffel, a good man.
He's quick, ain't he?
Yeah, boy.
He's sharp.
I don't know. I hope that thing don't knock me down again.
Right?
Can you believe that?
Yeah, I believe it.
I believe that about us must have do this.
The meter peaked. The meter peaked. It means there must have been something right there. So
Pushed him
Yeah.
right. Pushed you right into me.
Huh?
Pushed you right into me.
It did.
you feel
Yeah.
okay? Did it? It didn't like mess your heart up or anything? did it?
He's just boxing at me, huh?
Trying to figure out what that critter is on top of that one. Is that what it is? Yeah. It's got a long tail.
Does it?
Just a lamb.
It's a lamb.
Some sheep have long tails, right?
Yeah, all of them until they cut them off.
You have to ask the sheep expert here.
Huh?
You got to ask the sheep expert.
See, yeah, we got the man that knows sheep.
Yeah, that's why I asked.
I just can't believe we're in a cemetery.
Hey, it's a relaxed day.
It said step. Look, it says step. Probably trying to tell you. Watch where you step.
Was that what this said?
We found it.
There you go.
Pauline
Found out
Elizabeth.
So is this you, Elizabeth? Oh wait, you look like on me. If this is you, Elizabeth, peek my meter so Mr. G knows you're real.
Yeah.
No, she's not gonna peek the meter there.
I believe she's asleep.
It says wake.
Does that mean she's awake?
I don't know what it means. Supposedly they can manipulate
She ain't
this
had
and
nothing to eat.
that's some words there.
She ain't had nothing to eat in 24 years.
Yeah, right.
Nope.
I don't know. I don't know about this right
Maybe
here.
she's just gonna push you around. She's
Yeah, she
being
doesn't.
nice to the rest of us.
I'm gonna have to take my jacket down here. I'm burning
She didn't
up.
like you.
Now
She didn't like
they-
you.
they did tell us when you leave, you be nice. You act nice all the time because if you don't, then you know they get upset. But when you leave, you gotta tell them thank you for communicating with us and pushing my buddy. And
Okay, you
and,
do all
know,
that.
You all stay here. We'll see you later.
You tell them that.
That way they don't.
Uh-huh.
That way they
All right,
don't
we're gonna
bother.
go riding again.